Hey everybody, it's Tim, the Windows 7 trainer. Hey guys, I just wanted to bring to you the first video in my new series that I'm doing called Windows 7 Tools. And the first tool I'm going to be talking about today is a really cool tool. It's called the Problem Steps Recorder. So I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to click the Windows 7 Start button here, and in the search bar I'm going to type PSR. Quick way to get to the Problem Steps Recorder. I'm going to go ahead and click the link. Notice it shows up under Programs here. And it's not a really exciting looking tool, but let me tell you, it is very, very powerful. Think about this for a minute. I'm not sure what you guys do for a living, but let's say you're a help desk professional. You're out there every day helping users to maintain consistent and happy machines. Well, you got a user who calls a help desk and they say, hey, you know what, every time I do this, I'm having this kind of a problem. Every time I navigate to the Programs applet to uninstall a program, I get a kind of a pop-up that says illegal action has been performed. Well, in a modern day kind of a help desk environment, we have to get to that user's problem as fast as possible because that user needs to be productive to make the company money. Well, think about this. Some users it's kind of difficult to troubleshoot with, especially over the phone. You're asking them, hey, you know, Sally, tell me exactly what you're doing. Tell me what you're doing, Jeff, when you recreate that problem. You get the point. They may not actually know what happened. They just know every time I go to this location, I get an error. So it's very simple nowadays with this tool just to have them click the Windows 7 Start button, type PSR in there. This little tool opens up, and then you instruct them to click Start Record. Okay? So you click Start Record, and now all you have to do is tell them to duplicate the problem. So I click the Windows Start button, we'll go into Control Panel, we'll go into Programs, uninstall a program. Now notice guys, wherever I click here, there is a little red dot that shows up. Okay, we're just pretending I'm uninstalling this Applian Director program, and right now when I would go ahead and click Next, it would fail. The error would pop up. I'm not going to uninstall this, but I'm going to click Cancel. And then you instruct the user that, well, there's a good error right there. The program might not have uninstalled correctly. Pretty good. We'll click Cancel, and I'll have the user then click Stop Record. Now, when this process is done, the Save As dialog box shows up here. And notice what it is. It says there is a zip file that was created. So we're going to give this a name Test for right now. I'm saving it to my desktop. We'll say Save. A little zip file is created. A little zip folder is created. If we go ahead and open that up, let's take a look what's inside of it. Notice that an MHTML document has been created. Okay? And it's called problem underscore, and of course 2011-11/21 is the date of the incident. We'll go ahead and have them open it up, and notice what it does, guys. It opens up here in Internet Explorer, and it includes all of the screenshots that were generated when that user was going to that particular location and uninstalling this particular application. Okay, now notice above each one of these screenshots, it gives you some information about what the user actually did. The user left-clicked on the Start push button in Start. User left-clicked on Control Panel, menu item in Start menu, and notice everything's highlighted or rather surrounded by the green border, kind of focuses your attention on where they were. Okay, so here they click Programs. You can see it gives you detailed information. Now you are armed with what you need to actually, hopefully, resolve their problems. Now guys, think about this for a minute. What about from a training standpoint, which obviously I'm very much into? Think about new users coming into your environment. Maybe you've got 10 new users that are starting next week. What do typically new users ask of the company they're working for? Well, they need to know how to get their email. They need to know how to get to the, the SharePoint site. They need to know how to get to the documents library for their division that they're working for. Well, instead of sending emails or detailed instructions over the phone, we can create these little problem steps recorder files ahead of time. One would be for connecting to the Outlook server. One could be connecting to the corporate SharePoint environment. One would be connecting to the corporate data library or the human resources share. You get it. You can create these ahead of time and provide these to new users. Now they have detailed instructions on exactly what they need to do to connect to those services. So pretty powerful little guy here. You can also go in here and add comments as you go during the training mechanism. So again, you can go in here and click Start Record again. Okay, then you can click Add Comment, and you can add whatever comment you want. This is a test. Whatever it is, and click OK. And that comment's now added. So then they go to the next location, whatever that is, Control Panel, and I want to add a comment. This is CP. You get the point. You're giving them detailed instructions on how to do something. So I opened up the Ease of Access Center. Ease of Access Center. There you go. You can tailor these exactly the way you want them. When you're done, they can click Stop Record. Again, we'll save it out to the desktop. It'll be a new HTML folder here, zipped all up. There you go. We can open it up. And you will see, look, user comment, this is a test. You see how you can insert these comments into whatever it is that you are training them on. Pretty cool stuff there. So you see, this could be very beneficial in either the help desk environment or, of course, the training environment. Hey guys, I want to thank you for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, please go ahead and subscribe to the channel. There's going to be lots and lots of new videos coming your way. Also, please go ahead and follow me on Twitter. @Win7Trainer is the Twitter address. If you're interested in signing up for my blog, it's a very important certification blog out there. win7trainer.wordpress.com. Make sure you go ahead and subscribe to that as well. You'll be entered into monthly contests. We give away full licenses to Windows 7 products and a lot of other goodies every single month. So guys, hopefully you enjoyed this. Check back soon. There'll be some more out there for you.